Good afternoon, everybody. All right, it's time for a science lesson, and I have a little helper here that's going to help me out. Of course, Tegan.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys have been learning about Newton's first law of motion. So just to recap what that means in terms I like to use. An object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. The other half of it, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So we're going to do some demonstration. So let's start with the cheeseburger. Tegan, this cheeseburger is at rest.
Yeah.
What could possibly change the fact that it is at rest?
Something hitting against it.
Okay, like what?
I don't know. Like somebody accidentally hitting it with a fork.
Okay, I suppose that's right. Hitting it with a fork. It's not going to move on its own unless a fork comes up and hits it. What else?
Me.
Very good.
What about this fox?
Oh, okay. Our fox. Our fox is sitting on the chair at rest. What could change the fact that it's at rest?
Maybe some water hitting against it?
It'd have to be some pretty high pressure water, but yes. What else?
Definitely.
Yes, we are always outside forces when it comes to things at rest.
Yeah.
How about you? You're at rest. What could possibly move you to change your state?
Maybe a really strong wind, or maybe I choose to move by myself.
Okay, you can definitely choose to move by yourself. A really strong wind would happen, but we would move you. And me. All right, come on. Now let's talk about objects in motion, because the other half of it was objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So, my cheeseburger again.
That's my cheeseburger.
It's actually the dog's cheeseburger. It's a squeaky toy. They're sleeping. Okay, so this object is in motion. What could change, or what's stopping it from being in motion?
Gravity.
Okay, gravity is one of the number one forces, outside forces here on our planet. If it wasn't for other things, the gravity would cause this to continue falling. It also would continue to fly up in the air if it wasn't for gravity. Okay, so aside from gravity bringing it back down, what else is stopping it from falling forever?
The floor, your hand.
Yeah, my hand's hitting it first.
Because the gravity, it's doing half its job.
Yes, gravity
but your
is.
hand is stopping it.
Yeah, gravity is half of the work. My hand is the other half, and if I didn't use my hand, my floor would stop it.
And if your floor wasn't there, it would just keep on falling and falling and falling.
Correct, falling and falling. Okay, last example. Have a seat in my car. We're gonna go on a road trip. We're getting on the highway. We're on the highway. How fast are we going?
60 miles per hour.
Yeah, the car's going 60 miles an hour. How fast are we traveling?
60 miles per hour.
We are also traveling at 60 miles an hour. But then all of a sudden, Mrs. Elliott doesn't do a good thing and she runs off the road on accident and hits a brick wall. So, my car was traveling, but it hit a brick wall. So that was the outside force that stopped my car. But what's happening to us, Tegan?
We fly forward.
Yeah, we're still traveling at 60 miles an hour. The car may have stopped because of that outside force. We have not stopped. So we are flying forward and would go
Out of the car.
through the windshield.
And probably get a concussion.
Or other things, right?
Yes.
Yeah, could be bad. So what do we do as humans to help us with that?
You can wear a seatbelt.
We wear seatbelts.
Don't be dumb, kids.
So, fasten your seatbelt. This time, driving. We're still traveling 60 miles an hour. Boom, my car gets stopped by a brick wall, and what happens to us now?
We fly forward, but then our seatbelt pushes us back.
So that is our outside force, which stops us. Sound good?
Yes.
Newton's first law. Covered. Peace.